Girls, all of you need to concentrate because whatever these kids are doing over here will be shown on the big screen for you. We'll actually stream it live and see how these fantastic children have attained ultimate levels of intelligence, confidence.
And we must also tell you that all these kids were just like all of you and like all of us till the time they joined Brighter Minds, and they have been students with Brighter Minds, and they are going to display some amazing abilities after they have joined, and all of them are blindfolded right in front of all of us. And we are going to show you on the big screens, on your LED screens, what their capabilities are now. And once again, I would like to reiterate, there is no illusion in this. There is no magic. कोई मैजिक नहीं है, कोई इल्यूजन नहीं है. ये सारे बच्चे आप सभी की तरह नॉर्मल बच्चे हैं जो कि ब्राइटर माइंड्स ज्वाइन करने के बाद में अपनी कैपेबिलिटीज डेमोन्स्ट्रेट करने के लिए यहाँ आए हैं.
जरा ध्यान लगा कर देखिए, ये सारे बच्चे ब्लाइंड फोल्डेड हैं, मतलब इनकी आंखों के सामने गांधारी का पर्दा है. ये लड़की मेरी तरफ देख रही है. आई थिंक शी नोज दैट मैं बात कर रहा हूं. आई थिंक शी कैन मेक आउट फ्रॉम द साउंड. Okay, so I don't know if you guys are able to see it. Yeah, why don't you explain this, Raghav?
Yeah. So basically, this is some different creativity. Do you know what creativity is?
हाँ, थोड़ा बहुत तो मतलब समझ आती है.
Ravi has come up with a lot of creative ideas to skip classes, didn't you, Ravi?
Correct, absolutely. I think that is one aspect which I know really well. But from what I can see, these kids have some patterns in front of them. They are blindfolded, but still they are drawing it absolutely like on the dot.
Yeah. So basically, these are the children who are in the age group of 4 to 7 years. So when they came to know that this event is there, so they themselves planned it. They executed it.
Surabhi, please tell me, I can see this little girl actually, there is something written in pencil, and with blindfold, she is able to trace that line without looking with a color. How is she able to figure out where those lines are? With her eyes are closed.
So she's feeling actually. Those
She's feeling the lines.
She's feeling. Yes.
You mean to say these students can feel without looking?
Yes, absolutely. They
Wow.
can feel, and then with feeling they are doing.
Okay.
You know. So even this girl who is coloring.
Yeah, she's coloring inside those lines.
Yeah, so she is coloring B. Brighter Minds ka B.
Okay, among the audience, I also have my niece, my sister's daughter, who's a very, very good painter. She loves drawing. My only problem is, if she undertakes this course, तो हमारे पूरे घर में ड्रॉ करके पूरे घर का रंग ही बदल डालेगी वो. ऐसे भी वो पूरा बहुत ड्रॉ करती है.
Beta, what's your name?
So they become wiser, no? So they know where
What's
to
your
draw,
Way
where
to draw.
not to draw.
कौन से दीवार पर ड्रॉ करना है, कौन से दीवार पर नहीं करना है.
और
What's
दीवार
your
पे
name once
करना है
again?
कि नहीं करना है?
Pearl here is drawing, she is coloring inside the line. There are letters written. She cannot see where she has to color, but she can feel the lines and she is coloring. If you will see on the big screens, the kids are all blindfolded. उनको कुछ नजर नहीं आ रहा है. उन्होंने अपने हाथों से they are feeling the lines, और उन lines के अंदर they are able to color without the color going out of these lines. This is an amazing ability.
Do you want to know the secret of how they do it?
Please tell us.
Or you have to pay me $1 million for it.
That we
no,
can't do, sir.
you just have to sign up for the Brighter Minds course, okay? So, do you think we see with our eyes?
Yes.
Seems straightforward enough?
Yes, that's the sense.
We hear with our ears, don't we?
Absolutely.
No. We see with our brain. We hear with our brain. We smell not with our nose but with our brain. That's the secret. It's actually not a secret. Scientists have known this for over 40 years. They call this sensory substitution. People have shown for people who are blind or deaf, they can see with the sense of hearing. They can see with the sense of smell.
And
They can
touch.
see with the sense of touch. It's only a question of training. So that's what they do. All that we've done is we said, just like you go to gym, you give a resistance of a weight and you build muscles. What if we take away their ability to see? Will the other senses heighten up? Okay? And that's what we show. with training, the children are able to see with other senses,
So these
and along
kids
with
are-
it, they grow.
These kids are all 7 to 8 years old.
Yes,
Yes.
7 to 9 years old, and as you can see, this girl is coloring, this girl is writing, this boy and these girls, they are doing origami. And then they are feeling it and putting it together. So these are the stars. All these stars who are present in the stadium.
They are-
here.
Yeah.
But
Today.
but you know what? The biggest takeaway for me, and I'm sure all the other parents out there will actually agree with what I'm saying. बहुत सारे माँ बाप यहाँ पर ऐसे हैं చాలా మంది తల్లిదండ్రులు ఇలాంటి వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు పిల్లలు విపరీతమైన అల్లరి చేస్తారు వాళ్ళని ఎలా కంట్రోల్ చేయాలో తెలీదు దట్ ఇస్ బికాస్ దేర్ ఎనర్జీస్ ఆర్ డిస్ట్రాక్టెడ్ దే ఆర్ ఆల్ ఓవర్ ద ప్లేస్ బట్ వాట్ ఐ కెన్ సీ ఫ్రమ్ దీస్ చిల్డ్రన్ ఇస్ దట్ డిస్పైట్ దే బీయింగ్ ఇన్ ద సేమ్ ఏజ్ గ్రూప్ దే ఆర్ so focused, they are so calm and composed. So I think more than anything else, the parents would be delighted to send them to your institute so that they calm down in life.
And we will be delighted to welcome them all.
Absolutely.
You nailed it, Ravi.
We can see here there is this little boy who's with the help of origami, without looking, he's making little planes. Is it little planes or birds?
It is bird.
It is birds. Sorry. So he's making little birds and he has stuck on the paper in the right place the little clouds that he had made. And there is a little girl memorize everything, but to improve that memory, concentration, Brighter Minds is playing a very vital role.
You know, Shivani, why we wanted to do this, why we wanted to show this? Because this is not only origami, painting and coloring. So we want to say creativity is not just drawing, painting, coloring. But the way they thought, the way they planned, they had meetings, they planned it and then executed.
Right.
And then came up with this idea that all is done in the stadium.
Okay, so for everybody
Like that.